For this last lesson on digital citizenship, we are going to talk about how to be a super digital citizen. So I want you to think about this question. How can we be upstanders when we see cyberbullying? Now, last year when we had Miss Lucci come in and do our social skills lessons with us, we talked about being an upstander with bullying, and those are people that stand up when they see bullying happening. They don't let it go. So our objectives for this lesson are: we are going to reflect on the characteristics that make someone an upstanding digital citizen. And so thinking about characteristics, those are traits. What are they like? What is somebody who is an upstanding digital citizen like? That second thing we're going to objective that we have will be that we are going to be able to recognize activities of cyberbullying. And then the third thing, we're going to show ways to be an upstander by creating a digital citizenship superhero comic strip. Actually, we're not going to be doing that in this lesson. So I want you to think, do you have a favorite superhero? And if so, who is it and why is it your favorite? And if not, if you don't have a favorite superhero, why do you think you don't have one? I want you to take a moment to think about that. We're going to talk about that in our closing meeting today. So we're going to watch this video first, and then we're going to talk about what does a super digital citizen do.
It's a bird. It's a plane. Wait, who in the world are you? I'm Super Digital Citizen. Ta-da! Super Digital Citizen? Are you from another planet? Nope. Can you fly? Apparently not. And why do we need you, Mr. Superhero? Think about it. Every day, kids post, share, play, create, explore, and learn all online. The digital world can be a sinister place, so I make sure that kids are safe, responsible, and respectful. I guess we do need superheroes like you. Yep, I'm all about helping us kids make good choices. That sounds like one tough day job. Common sense says we can all be superheroes, each and every day. What are your superpowers?
So after watching this video, I want you to think about, what does a super digital citizen do? So we're going to go over some of the vocabulary. A digital citizen is someone who uses technology responsibly to learn, create, and participate. So when you're doing your assignments, you are being a digital citizen. You are using technology responsibly. Cyberbullying is using digital devices, sites, and apps to intimidate, harm, and upset someone. So if you use your digital device, whether it's your cell phone or your tablet or your computer, to send messages to somebody that are mean or rude or intimidating, so maybe you're threatening something, that is considered cyberbullying. If you are using some other form of social media like Snapchat or TikTok or any of the other social media platforms, if you're using those to send people messages or pictures that are intimidating or meant to harm someone or upset them, then then that is cyberbullying. An upstander is a person who supports and stands up for someone else. So think about what an upstander is and what do they do? What kind of a person are they?